Hello, Mrs. Dibie's class. It's Mrs. Bellatash, and we're going to start another part of our science unit. Our first unit was all about motion, why things move. And our second part is going to be all about matter. Everything that takes up space is matter. So, matter takes up space. I take up space. I'm made out of matter. You take up space. You are made out of matter. On Earth, there are 3 types of matter. There's solid. Like this shell is solid. It's a total solid. There's liquid. In this bottle, I have some soapy water. It is a liquid. And there's gas. I have a balloon and an air pump, and I can fill it up with gas. I don't mean gasoline. I mean the air that's all around us. Gas. Now, today we're going to talk about using a balance scale to measure mass. Mass is kind of another way of saying how heavy something is. So we're going to measure mass, and we're going to make a mixture, and we're going to make a solution. So boys and girls, this is a balance scale. And I'm going to put a cup on this side and a cup on this side. And what I want to do is I want them to be completely even. So look at this. Even this cup is slightly different. I'm going to see if I can put the cup on that side. There you go. This cup weighs just a little bit more than the other one. When something is equal, the balance scale is going to be parallel. So I want to show you, we're going to use something called gram pieces to measure the mass or how heavy something is. This red one is 20 grams. This yellow one is 10 grams. The green ones are 5 grams. And these teeny tiny little blue ones are 1 gram. So this is how we're going to do it. We're going to put an object on this side, and then we're going to put the grams on this side and find out how many grams are in that object. All right, so I'm going to take some sand, and I'm going to use a scoop, and I'm going to put 1 scoop of sand in that side. Look what happened. This side is heavier, so I need to find out how many grams I can put in to make it balance, okay? So I'm going to try 20. Uh-oh. 20 is too much. I'm going to try 10. I think 10 is still just a little bit too much. So I'm going to take the 10 out. I'm going to put in a 5. I need more, right? Because it's pointing down that direction. I'm going to put a 1. So that's 6, 7, 8. I think it's 8 grams. Maybe I could put 1 more. Okay, I think it's 9 grams. The mass of this sand is 9 grams. Okay, so now I'm going to measure something else. I have something called calcium carbonate, which is like baking soda. And I have 1 spoon of calcium carbonate, and I'm going to put it in the cup. Now, the sand weighed 9 grams. So I'm going to try 10 grams for that. Oh, much too heavy. I'm going to try 5 grams. 5 grams is still too much. I'm going to try from single grams. So here's 1 gram, 2 grams, 3 grams. Should I add another gram? Should we say, see what it looks like? 4 grams. I think 4 grams. It's between 3 and 4 grams. So the sand was 9 grams, but the calcium carbonate is only 4 grams. Okay, this time I want to measure some water. So I have something called a syringe, and I'm going to draw up 35 milliliters of water. This is full of water now, and I'm going to put it in the cup. Ooh. All right. Now I'm going to put a 20-gram piece over here. Oh my gosh, water is pretty heavy. I'm going to try a 10-gram piece. Okay. And I'm going to try a 5-gram piece. It's 35 grams. 35 milliliters of water is 35 grams. All right, so now I want to make a mixture. I'm going to put 1 scoop of sand and 1 scoop of gravel. And right now I have a mixture. I have a mixture of sand and gravel. Now I could add some more things. I could add a spoon of baking soda. And now I have a mixture of sand, gravel, and baking soda. That is a mixture. I'm going to make a different mixture. I'm going to use some salt. I'm going to take 1 spoon of salt. Whoopsie, more than that. And I'm going to add some water. 35 milliliters of water, and I'm going to put them together. And I'm going to stir it up. Okay, so I just stirred up this water and salt, and now I have a little problem because I can't see the salt anymore. I added a spoon of salt to the water, and I don't see it in the water anymore. When salt disappears in the water, we say it dissolves. It dissolves. It is still a mixture. There is still salt and water. It is still a mixture. But it is a special kind of mixture called a solution. Now, I'm going to add some sand. I'm going to take a spoon of sand and I'm going to add some water. And I'm going to stir it up. But guess what, boys and girls? No matter how long I stir the water, the sand is not going to dissolve. This is a mixture too, but it's a mixture where we can see the 2 parts. We can see the sand and we can see the water. Salt water is also a mixture, but it's a mixture where we cannot see the 2 parts. We see the water, but we cannot see the salt because it dissolved. And this is a solution. This is just a mixture. It would be fun for you guys to do this at home. Add some salt to a little cup and add some water and stir it until the salt dissolves. You might have to add a little bit more water. And then I want you to leave the cups open like this outside for a couple of days. And when you go back in a couple of days, you're probably going to see something new. I don't want to talk about it yet, but it will be kind of fun. All right, see you next time, Cougars.